In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect and set up payments using HubSpot. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, setting up payment links is an essential skill for managing your business transactions effectively. Let's dive right into the process so you can get started quickly and efficiently. First things first, you'll need to open HubSpot. Make sure you've logged into your account to access all the necessary features. Once you're in, the first place you'll want to visit is the trial guide. This is an invaluable resource that provides all the tools and information you need to kick off your form building process with ease, helping you understand the best practices and what to expect as you start creating payment links. Next, head over to your homepage. From there, you'll want to look for and click on the option labeled Commerce. This is the section where all your payment link tools are housed. After you've clicked on Commerce, navigate to Payment Links. This is where you'll create the new link that will allow your customers to pay for your products or services seamlessly. To begin creating your payment link, simply click on Create a Payment Link. You'll be presented with various templates, but for our purposes, select the option Use Blank. Starting with a blank template gives you the flexibility to customize everything according to your specific business needs. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice an option to choose a currency. It's important to select the right currency that matches your business operations and the region of your customers. This ensures clarity and avoids any confusion regarding payment amounts. Next, you'll move to the summary section. Here, it's crucial to clearly describe the product or service related to this payment link. Providing a concise yet informative description will give your customers confidence and transparency, knowing exactly what they are paying for. Following the summary description, click on Settings. This area allows you to manage the more intricate details of your payment link. You can adjust the settings to align with your business requirements, such as setting up notifications or customizing the purchase experience for your customers. Finally, take a moment to review everything you've set up. To do this, click on Preview. The Preview feature is an excellent tool that offers a last look at your payment link as it will appear to your customers. It's a good practice to double-check that all the details are correct, the descriptions are accurate, and the settings are properly managed. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up payment links in HubSpot. As you become more familiar with the process, feel free to explore additional features that HubSpot offers to enhance your payment experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.